Hey guys, it's Anthony here. I have been struggling with my internet connection for the last week, so that's the reason why I haven't put up a video, guys. But my gosh, what a week to be in the stock market, guys. Stick around for this one. Hey guys, Anthony from the Wall Street Bull here. I hope you're doing well. Welcome back. I haven't had any internet for a week. It's been an insane time with this my telecommunications provider called Telstra here. Worst company ever, guys. It's been a nightmare. Anyway, so I just want to say a huge shout out and thank you to those of you who signed up to Stake using my referral code. You guys can find that in the link below. If you haven't signed up to Stake, we both get a free stock. Thank you very much for those guys who did. I really appreciate it. I ended up getting 2 stocks in GoPro, which is awesome. So I've got a few shares now in GoPro and it's just building. I'm just going to hold them there. It doesn't matter. So thank you very much, guys. And if you're a fan of dividends, which is I'm a dividend investor, make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel because it really helps the algorithm. So what I'm going to get into today, guys, my portfolio you can see is sitting at $18,386.92. I'm down on the day of 1.93%. That's $361.41, and I'm up in total 33%, which was incredible to see that, $4,580.92. That's because I invested all throughout the downturn last year when everyone said that huge crash was happening. I just continued buying dividend paying stocks, which is awesome, guys. So I've got some dividends there of 28 cents currently sitting in buying power, and mainly all the stocks are in the red today, which was last Friday, I should say, but it's not a negative thing. It happens all the time. I guess when the stock price goes down, the dividend rate, the payout, or the dividend yield sort of increases, which is a good thing for dividend investors like myself. So if we go to my just the activity statement here, you guys can see on the screen, which is awesome. I did purchase more of ExxonMobil, $107.31 last week, and that's that GoPro stock, so thank you for that. And I did receive a dividend of 33 cents on the 28th from BNS, which is sitting in my buying power now. SJR, a dividend of 4 cents. SJR, that's the tax, and the GoPro again. So I'm slowly building up my GoPro holdings, guys. But what I'm wanting to get at is obviously what's going on in the market at the moment with GME and AMC. So I'm going to go into games here. This is one that's been insane all over the media, guys. $325 is the price. This is insane, guys. I've been watching this and keeping an eye on the news here on Bloomberg and CNBC and Sky News, and watching a whole heap of other YouTubers go on about this this stock, and this is incredible to see what's happening here, guys. Look at that jump there. That is insane. Look at that. So basically, my understanding of what's happening is everything is being shorted now. What that means is obviously these big hedge funds are making bets on smaller companies and driving the price right down so they can buy these companies back virtually dirt cheap, and obviously covering their losses and whatnot. But what's happening is obviously with Reddit, the Wall Street Bets page, which is a good thing to keep an eye on, so check out that, guys. So I've subscribed to that, but what's happening with these guys is that they're amassing so much buying power from people like myself and you and whoever is a retail investor, and they're buying and driving up that stock because there's only a certain amount of stocks available in, like GameStop. There's only probably, I don't know how many millions of shares, but there's only so much, which this is the reason why the price is getting driven up so much. So all these hedge funds who've bet on these companies to be such at a low price, they have to cover their losses and they have to buy these stocks back. So GameStop is obviously going to be dropping. It's not dropping any further, I believe, and the price will be going way up, guys, this week. You know, I've seen in the Reddit forums that this price is going to be going up well into the $1,000 mark, which is insane. Hence the reason why everyone is saying hold the line until this gets up to $1,000, because these hedge funds have to cover their losses and buy back this stock at $1,000. So this is incredible, guys, because it means the retailers are now taking on the bigger guys, the hedge funds. So this is a really cool thing, man. Like, it's really cool to see. And obviously the other one I'm going to talk about now is AMC. This is one I was looking at the Reddit forums as well. So this is Entertainment Holdings. Now, if you go down to the company to see what these guys do, and we'll just go here. So AMC and Entertainment Holdings is a theatrical exhibition company. The company conducts operations throughout two segments in the US markets and international markets. It licenses first-run films from distributions owned by film production companies and independent distributors on film-by-film, theatre-by-theatre basis. So the hedge funds were obviously betting on, got to pop up here, betting on this company to go bust because of the Rona situation. So all fair and well. Everyone on Reddit at the moment is now piling into this because they believe it's going to be it has been shorted by these hedge funds, and this is the next one in line, like GameStop. So AMC, guys, is a really good opportunity at the moment at $13.26. I personally wanted to do it, like buy this, and I have deposited some funds, but unfortunately what's happening with all these bloody brokerages at the moment is they're all controlling what's happening here in terms of what you can deposit, how fast you can deposit, and they're controlling how much you can buy. With regards to stake, they've stopped all their express deposits now, and they've only just put regular regular deposits, which is really annoying. So come Monday morning, being today in New York, those funds won't appear until Tuesday, tomorrow. So who knows what the hell is going to happen with this stock AMC tomorrow. Really annoyed at stake, guys. Pull your act together. It's so annoying. I hope they fix that problem, but they're doing it to control the platform because of these high volatile times and these millions of people transacting on this app. Basically the app crashed, so that's the reason why they've deactivated the express funding, which is really annoying, guys. But AMC is one of these ones that is the number 2 basically on the list for Reddit. The next one, obviously, guys, is Nokia, and if we go to NOC, this one is, I think it's about the 3rd or 4th on the list to be shorted. I'm not sure, guys, but you can see it's had 11,896 trades, and it is down on the day, obviously on Friday. But if we look on the month, let's have a look here, guys. So it basically peaked at $7, but it's still $4.56. Now, look, guys, my personal opinion about all of this stuff, like, I'm a dividend investor long term, so that's my goal. But if you can play a little bit, guys, I mean, I'm not a financial advisor, so make sure you do your own research and check out that you're comfortable. But I mean, if you're comfortable playing with like a couple of $100, buy a couple of stocks and see what happens, guys, and just hold. You know, like AMC, Nokia, and I believe the other one's Dodge, I'm not sure, but AMC and GameStop. GameStop is virtually, to me, it's done and dusted now. If you had bought that stock at about $12 to $13, you would have been set, like, you would have been laughing by now. It'll probably hit about $500 to $1,000, who knows. But with regards to AMC and Nokia and all these companies, there's still some opportunity there, but be careful. You know, there's a lot of risk associated with doing this stuff, but really annoying thing. I wanted to try it myself personally. I will try it, but obviously those funds have to clear. But guys, be careful out there and make sure you do your research and make sure you're comfortable with you know, taking that risk and that gamble with this stuff. But for me, I'd love to just try it. A couple of $100, who cares? And we'll see what happens with regards to that. As you know, as I said, I'm a dividend investor, guys. As you can see here, most of my companies are dividend paying stocks. So that's it, guys, and I just wanted to show an update on my portfolio and touch base with you guys. I really appreciate you following me, and I hope you guys are staying safe out there. But let's go to my dividend tracker at the moment. Sitting at $824.53 a year, which is awesome. Monthly, I'm sitting at now $68.71. Daily at $2.26 a day. I'm almost up enough to buy coffee a day. The yield on average across my portfolio is sitting at $4.55, which is really good. CVS is 10 cents dividend coming up. GEO of 21 cents, and a big one, guys, of $9.42 from AT&T. That is going to be great. And my top 3 dividend payers are ExxonMobil at $241.28 a year, SPHD at $118.90, and Prospect Capital at $98.70, guys. And as I mentioned in my previous videos, I've got a goal of $3,000 a year. That's 27% of that goal is reached. That's really cool. And across my portfolio here, guys, we'll go $24,000 Australian, which is awesome to see. Total returns is $5,961, guys. That's insane. You know, a lot of people have to work very hard to save this kind of money, so I'm pretty proud of that, and I hope you guys are doing the same thing as well, being smart with your money and chucking it in the stock market here, but in good dividend paying stocks. So make sure you check that and do your research. And guys, if you scroll down here, it's a good thing to track as well, as I've said. And this is a cool thing. After 20 years, portfolio will be worth $85,000. That's awesome. Total dividends a year, $6,466. That's a lot of money a year, guys. That's awesome. Monthly income, guys. So you can see here the dividends payable this month. I've received $38, and March is a big one actually. So confirmed dividends already for March is $67, and yet to be confirmed is $42.99. So that's awesome, guys. Anyway, so essentially what I'm it's been a crazy time in the market. I hope you guys are staying safe. Be careful. Check out AMC, check out Nokia, check out these other companies, and be careful. If you're willing to take a risk, why not try it out and see how you go? And let me know in the comments what you think about all this AMC and GameStop and all this stuff, guys, because it's really interesting for me, as it's never happened before in the market. And as Jordan Belfort says, just don't be greedy. Just take your profit out and what you've put in and play with the house's money. That's what I'm wanting to do. If it happens, if it happens. If it not, it is what it is. But anyway, guys, thanks you very much for sticking around. Really cool to be back online. I've been ripping my hair out for a week, so stay safe, take care, and be in touch. Cheers. Bye.